This video will show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Faster Suite. While working in Faster Suite, you may notice letters or numbers inside parentheses located next to certain selections. These are to indicate that this selection can be made with your keyboard. For example, if we open a new time entry window, we can hold down the Alt key and type Q to move our cursor into the description field to start typing a description. Once we're done with our description, we can then hold the Alt key again and type M to move to the matter filter field. After filtering the matters, we can hold the Alt key yet again and type a 1, 2, 3, or 4 to select the corresponding matter from the top of the list. Once we've made all the selections and edits that we want to make, we can hold the Alt key one final time and press 0 to finally save the time entry to Clio without ever having to use our mouse.